Hi, in this video we're going to work on limits involving factorization because the limit laws for division can be used here. Why not? Well, if we're going to try to go with direct substitution here, when I plug in 0 for x right there, that'll be 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 squared is 9, so 9 minus 9 will give me a 0 in the denominator. And you know we can't divide by 0 right there. So we're going to have to expand this binomial here, and then we'll go from there. So you can do FOIL, you can do the formula. Either way, we're doing the same thing. I'm going to do the box here off to the side, just because it's easier for you to see what I'm doing and what we're talking about. So you know, this squared means negative 3x plus 3 times negative 3x plus 3. That's why I made the box right there. So multiply right there, we get 9x squared. Multiply these two, we get negative 9x. Multiply these two, I get negative 9x again. Multiply these two, I get 9. When you combine like terms, I have 9x squared minus 18x plus 9. So here when I rewrite this limit right here, I will substitute this that I just expanded for this. So here we're finding the limit as x approaches 0 of negative 3x over 9x squared minus 18x plus 9 minus 9. So this minus 9 belongs to that. So plus 9 minus 9, that's 0. Now I'll go ahead and factor out negative 3x. I know I could have factored out 9x, but you know, I'll have to simplify right here with this negative 3x. So I'm just going to pull out negative 3x. If you want to pull out if you want to pull out 9x right here, that's fine too. You will be able to simplify in the end. So I'm going to leave negative 3x alone right there on the numerator, and then I'll pull negative 3x right here out. So I'm going to factor this out off to the side. So negative 3x, 9x squared divided by negative 3x, I have negative 3x. Then I have negative 18x divided by negative 3x, I have plus 6. Okay, so negative 3x plus 6. So notice if I distribute this, I have 9x squared. And if I distribute here, I have negative 18x. All right, now I can simplify these guys. So I have the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over negative 3x plus 6. At this time, I need to do the direct substitution, and it will not give me 0 in the denominator. So and that's what we're going to do. 1 over negative 3, substitute 0 for x, plus 6. That will give me 1 over 6 as my answer right there. One more. In this case, I have to find the limit as x approaches negative 4 of this. Before I do anything here, I want to go ahead and factor this out. This is difference of two squares. So I'm looking for the limit as x approaches negative 4 of x plus 4 over x plus 4, x minus 4. Because this is difference of two squares, so here I expanded or I factored it out. Because I knew the direct substitution wouldn't work here for me because it would give me a 0 in the denominator. Therefore, I have to do factorization. Here I'll be able to simplify these two, and I have limit as x approaches negative 4. I have 1 over x minus 4. At this time, I'm going to do direct substitution by plugging in negative 4 for x right there. So 1 over negative 4. So I substitute a negative 4 right there for x. And then I do minus 4. I simplify. I have negative 1 over 8. Easy peasy.